We're the lippy sombreros. I'm a sooty bedpan.
Tell me, my fancy fuzzy freak, what do you think of when you make love to Barbarella?
Make love? I do not understand.
Is that like making whoopee?
Don't be coy with me with my position.
The pen hurts worse than the sword when unsheathed.
See what a delight I am, my face.
I'm sorry,
my
audiobooks
body,
have ruined me for Braille.
All my things are a delight. An exquisite delight.
What is it you want?
Besides
I shall
tact.
share my delights with you. You shall make love to me.
Earmuffs.
An angel does not make love. An angel is love.
Then you're a dead duck.
Affleck.
Dog!
The guards are all turned up into their waistbands.
To the math moss with this winged fruitcake.
2 birds, 1 stone generation. All I'm saying is that I wish our whips sound a little bit more butch.
Come along.
Don't make me use my middle-aged sex pistol. Arrivederci. It's a parakeet protest. Pack the hand that feeds us. Pack the hand that feeds us. I'm sorry, Gotham had every single bird enter the sewers. Far-fetched, right? We thought so too. You know, a Disney princess would know to soothe the song. Alfred Hitchcock begged him to use his footage from, well, the birds. Yeah, move aside. There's a pecking order here. Move. I'm no parrot, but I'll eat a cracker.
This is really much too poetic a way to die.
You heard her attacking stanzas. I'm the pretty bird, Karen. Piss off. They say we descended from dinosaurs, but that's a bunch of liberal BS. And by that, I mean bird shit. I don't want it taught in school to my eggs.